Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher. Hey. Teacher, wait for me a sec. My friend. Một con. I don't have with you. I just turn off your side. Teacher, I'm here. Teacher, I'm here. Yeah. Không nghe được cô nói gì hết. Teacher, I don't get to. Wow. Cô ăn chó gì đấy? Teacher! Teacher! Cô bảo là từ từ.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go away,
Okay.
my teacher.
Is my voice okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that is great to hear. Now, guys, you say the hippo is laughing.
The hippo is laughing.
Okay, so you have, okay, we have here the word laugh. Honey, we have here the word laugh. Laugh is a verb. Laugh is a verb. Again, honey, okay? Yes. Laugh, the word laugh is a verb. It's a verb here.
Cười là động từ.
Teacher, where is my picture?
Okay, did you hear that?
Cười là động từ.
My picture.
Okay, the word laugh
Từ laugh là một động từ.
Laugh.
Yes.
Bang.
You see, and
La.
honey, you listen first, okay? You listen first. And if the sentence has the word is, if you should add ing to the verb. Where is the verb, honey? The verb is
Teacher, Đức laugh.
You listen first, honey. Where is the verb? The verb is the word laugh.
The word is laugh.
Okay, you listen to this.
Và nếu câu có từ is, bạn nên thêm đuôi ing vào động từ.
Okay? The hippo is laugh. The hippo is laugh. So it should be the hippo is laugh.
The hippo is laugh. The hippo
is laughing, not laugh. This is completely wrong. This is wrong. This one is correct. The hippo is laughing. Okay? Again.
Yes.
Và nếu câu có từ is, bạn nên thêm đuôi ing vào động từ.
Okay?
Yes.
Why,
teacher?
like this. Duck is laugh. Okay. How do you correct this word? Correct this sentence, honey. Correct this sentence, please.
Yes.
Làm ơn sửa lại câu này.
Here. Duke is laugh.
Me.
Okay, Vivian.
It's girl.
Mhm. You correct
Helicopter.
this. Yeah.
Helicopter.
Very good. Yay, very good, Vivian. That's right. Great job, honey. How about this? How about this? Okay. Here. Okay. Okay. You write it in your paper. Okay? This is for Duke. This is okay. Where's your paper? Okay. Get your paper now. This is for Duke.
Where my pen?
Okay, get your paper. Okay, this is for Duke. This is for Vivian.
My mom is reading.
No, you write now. You write now. Duke, this is for Duke. Duke, you answer this one, Duke, and this one is for Vivian. Let's go.
T. Okay, jump. Me.
Okay. Let's have Vivian. Okay, Vivian. That's wrong. That's wrong. My mom is dance. It should be dancing. Dancing.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, Duke. Let's have Duke. Huh? Singing. It should be
What?
singing.
I found.
Okay. How about Vivian? Okay, let's have Vivian. Okay, my dear. Yes, that is correct, honey. That is correct. But you have to Vivian, you have to do it like this, my dear. My mom is dancing. This one. This is the spelling. Okay? My mom is dancing. Say my mom is dancing. Okay, let's have Duke. Hey, Duke. Teacher Ashin is sing. Yes. Huh? Singing? Okay. Okay, another one. This one.
Helicopter.
Okay, teacher's going to have another one, okay? The baby is how about this? Okay, let's have this.
Where? The baby is asleep.
Okay. You add ing. Ing.
Baby. Me.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right. Wait. Okay, let's have Duke first. The baby. Yes, very good. How about Vivian?
Wait, it's me.
Very good. That is it, guys. Okay. Great job. Okay. That is it. That's correct. Okay.
Helicopter,
All right.
helicopter.
clap,
How about this one, honey? What is this?
It is a clap.
Very
clap,
good. The woman is, you write it, you write it. You write it in your paper. The woman is, you write it in your paper. Go.
The woman is clap. Me.
Okay, let's have Vivian. Okay, let's have Vivian. Okay. The woman is, yes, very good, Vivian. Yeah, that is it. Very good. The woman is, honey, but it should be, yes,
Teacher.
yeah, it should be double P. It should be 2P. 2P. Let's have Duke. Okay, Duke, let me show you. Let me see yours, Duke.
Me. Right, teacher.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
You are.
I'm off. Okay, let's have Duke.
I'm not. Wait for
Sure.
the
Okay.
teacher. Wait for the.
Okay.
Okay. Duck it rush the rodent.
Very good.
She's your answer.
Okay. Now let's move forward to this one. Okay.
Helicopter.
Let's have the structure now. Okay. What can you do? Let's have Vivian first. Vivian, what can you do? What can you do? I can. Very good. How about Duke? Yes. Honey, no, not sing. When you say I can dance. I can dance only. Okay, not dancing. Yes. Yes, because it's I. Let's have Duke. What can you do, Duke? Ah? Yeah. Okay, very good. Let's have this. What can't you do? I can't
Dance.
How about Duke? For Duke. Duke, how about you? Yes. Yes. Okay, let's have this one. You have to look and then circle. You look
Helicopter.
and circle.
Helicopter.
Okay.
Me.
Okay, go.
Me.
Okay. Okay.
Em cái gì? Bè sao không cho làm được? Không cho làm được. Stop. Anh Đức của anh Đức nè. Cái gì cơ? Không mà. Ủa nó đây rồi, sao nó có bị mất miết hay đó? Xong rồi. Như nè, nó lại bị mất nè. Đưa tiếp một cái. Ôi vậy. Ủa. Stand up. Đến thấp. Water. Không làm được. À, cái công thức này mất rồi. Wow. Holy God. Chưa kịp. Làm. Ơi. Ủa sao lại được x thế này? Chưa bị. Rồi đó. Cái gì đây? Cái gì? Sao lại nó giấu nó lại một này? Biết đâu. Quay. Về tiếp. Chọn bút thì chọn. Laugh. Từ từ trước khi mình phải chọn màu. Tiền tôi chọn màu không? Màu. 1, 2, 3. 3 màu. Đen, 3 màu. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 màu. 4 màu cam rồi. Giờ đến màu hồng. 1 màu hồng, 1 màu đen. Màu hồng đó. Ồ.
Okay, 6.
Oh, my favorite color is orange.
My
Vivian color. My favorite color orange, but Vivian is pink.
Okay, you can
Đừng bóp
choose
chim.
whatever color you want.
Đừng tóc, đứa đang làm. Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter! No! Teacher, wait for me.
Okay. Where are you going?
Go south. Wait for me.
Okay.
One. Orange. I see orange like the brown.
Ah, the orange looks like brown. Yeah? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay, let's have number 1.
I'm done.
Okay, you're done already. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's have number 1. What's your answer for number 1? Number 1 is?
Me.
Okay, Vivian. Yay! But guys, you remember this one is not stomp. It's stomp. Stomp.
Stomp.
Yes, very good. That one is stomp. Okay, now let's have number 2. Who answers number 2?
Duck. Duck.
Okay. Okay, Duck. Let's have Duck. Okay. Okay, Duck, let's go. Duck, you answer now. Number 2. Number 2 is? What is number 2? Okay, 2 is 10. Very good. That is correct. Number 3. Answers number 3. What's your answer for number 3? Is it waddle or dance?
Me.
Waddle. Okay. Okay, very good, Vivian. It's waddle. Great job. So you should have erased this. Erase this one. Okay, let's have number 4. 4, it's Duck.
Me.
It's Vivian. Okay, it's Vivian. Let's go.
Clap.
Okay, very good. It is clap. Okay. Number 5. What's for number 5?
It me. No. Me. Number 5.
Okay. Who answers again?
Me.
Okay, Vivian. Okay, Vivian. Vivian, go.
Yes. Love.
Okay. Very good. It's okay. 6. It's Duck.
Duck.
Okay, Duck. You answer now, Đức.
Đức is answer. Dance.
Yes.
Dance.
Okay, very good. It's dance. Now, let's have this one. You have to look and then match. Match. Okay.
Me. Wait. Wow. Đây nè. Đức nói. Cả đèn. Thình đúng rồi. Thình đến me. Pink. Color. Teacher, I not put my favorite color in one favorite color period.
Okay. It's okay.
Anh Đức chọn màu anh Đức đi.
You can pick any color you want.
Cho Đức sẽ làm 2 màu cam. Được không? Để. Ha. Water. Đức phải lao. Maybe. Đến em mà. Đến Đức mà Đức muốn làm 2 màu. Đến em. Một trò. Đúng rồi. Teacher, this color pink and orange nature.
Okay.
Girl is hopping. Trumpy. Dùng hopping. Cái này là trump. Oh. Why teacher?
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Huh? Done?
No.
Done?
Sao là một tim? Không nói
Okay. Where's
Why
the
teacher?
jump?
Wait.
Okay.
Đến không của em mà. Now I put my chồng. Thuốc làm nhiều màu cam rồi đó. Thuốc làm nhiều màu hồng chứ mỗi người ít màu. Thuốc làm 4 màu hồng rồi đó. Hai nãy Đức làm nhiều màu cam gì? Rồi đi. Tiếp là biết màu cam luôn. Anh phục thay của em. Không sao. Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, wait for a while. I will just put water, okay?
Yes. It Đức.
Hold on. Wait, I'm going to put water first.
Màu cam.
Okay. Hold on. Wait for a while. Đây. Okay.
Teacher,
Wait, let me fix my water first.
Teacher, who in your room?
My husband. My husband.
It is your husband.
Yeah. My husband.
Bạn trai.
Chồng tôi.
Chồng tôi. Chồng tôi, my husband. Okay, now let's have number 1. Number 1 is...
I still have many children.
I only have 1. I only have 1.
Child.
Okay,
Children.
we have the first one. We have the first picture. What is it? The first picture. Yeah, very good. It is dance, guys. Great job. Okay, what is that? Yes, we only have 5 minutes left. Okay, let's have the second picture. What's the second picture? It is? Okay, let's have this. Okay, your answers are correct. Now, you have to odd one out. Odd one out.
Yes.
Odd one out, please.
Yes.
Okay.
Anh Đức nhờ em làm màu này, không làm màu hồng nữa. sẽ là màu này càng rất vui. Anh nhầm. Teacher, wait for me.
Okay.
Em yêu, em không cần lo lắng về thời gian vì chúng ta không thể hoàn thành bài học hôm nay, chúng ta có thể hoàn thành nó vào lần sau.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Teacher.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay.
Gì anh Đức kìa. Hả? Run. Two.
2.
Water. Ủa sao anh Đức đi làm? Em không biết.
Okay, 3.
Elephant clap. Oh. 27. Này. Anh Đức này. Hai mới 27 phút. Anh Đức nè. Anh Đức nè. Anh Đức nè. Làm Teacher,
Okay, 4.
Anh Đức kia run. Elbow nhầm. Elbow. Cái méo gì vậy? Cái méo gì? Cái cục cức cơ. Cái méo gì trời?
Why is it so small?
This. Get away.
Okay, next.
Yellow.
Okay. Very good. It's yellow. Okay, let's reveal your answers. Number 1, we have doll. Very good. You got the right answer. 2, you got the toe.
Two.
Yeah.
Two.
Honey, it's not two, okay? Toe. Toe. No, we still have one. No. That's not the right time. That's not the right time. Your timer is not right. We follow my timer, my dear. Not yours.
Chúng ta sẽ theo đồng hồ bấm giờ của tôi, chứ không phải của em.
We have seconds left now.
Chúng ta chỉ còn vài giây nữa thôi.
Okay, so let's have this one. For number 3, it is elephant. Very good. Now we have number 4. For number 4, we have eyebrow. Very good. Next one we have 5. It is yellow. Very good. It is yellow. Okay. So guys, we are going to continue this one next meeting. Next meeting, we're going to have this one, okay? The time is already over and Teacher Shane has to say goodbye now. Bye-bye.